Now, what about questions? In English, we just say is there. Instead of saying there is, we say what? Is there? Or in plural, are there? Let's see some examples. In English, we have what? Is there a problem? Is there a problem? Now, what do we say in French? We are going to use what we call est-ce que. Est-ce que. That is, est-ce qu'il y a un problème? You have to use this. Est-ce que. Est-ce que. Then we have what? Est-ce qu'il y a un problème? Est-ce qu'il y a un problème? The next. Are there any apples left? Are there any apples left? You say what? You still use the est-ce que. Est-ce qu'il y a encore des pommes? Est-ce qu'il y a encore des pommes? The next. How many people are there? How many people are there? What do we say here? Use here combien de. Combien de personnes y a-t-il? How many people are there? Combien de personnes y a-t-il? There is a lesson where we are going to elaborate more on how to ask questions in the French language. You see, how many people are there? Combien de personnes y a-t-il? As you can see here. The next, note, y a-t-il formal inversion, or use est-ce que, est-ce qu'il y a, that is common spoken form in French. Either you use this y a-t-il or use est-ce qu'il y a to ask your question. Now, what about the past and future tenses of there is and there are? In the past tense, we are going to have there was in English or there were. In French, you simply say il y avait. There was, there were, simply in French, il y avait. Now, what about the future tense? In French, you have il y aura, which in English is there will be. Il y aura, which is there will be in English. Let's see some examples. There was a storm yesterday. There was a storm yesterday. Il y avait une tempête hier. There was a storm yesterday. Il y avait une tempête hier. The future tense. There will be a meeting tomorrow. Il y aura une réunion demain. There will be a meeting tomorrow. Il y aura une réunion demain. Let's see some key differences. Let's summarize it here. What are some features? We have singular and plural in the English language. Singular, you have there is. Plural, there are. But in French, you simply use il y a. Very easy there. Il y a for both there is and there are. Same for both. Il y a for there is and there are. What about the negative form? In English, you say there isn't, there aren't. In French, this is what? Il n'y a pas de. Il n'y a pas de. That's the negative form. Now, what about questions? For question, you say what? Is there, or plural, are there? In French, what will you say to ask your question? We saw either you use y a-t-il, or you continue your question, y a-t-il, or you can use est-ce que, that is est-ce qu'il y a. Either you use y a-t-il or est-ce qu'il y a. And what about the past tense? In the past tense, we saw that there is and there are become what? There was, in singular, or they were plural in French is simply il y avait. Il y avait. Il y avait. What about the future tense? The future tense we have there will be. There will be. In plural it is, what is it in French? Il y aura. There will be, il y aura. Thank you for paying attention to the lesson.